In this video, we'll be solving a question on statistics. In this case, we are given a question and we are also given an assumed mean of 50. We are to use it to calculate for the mean deviation. How do we go about this? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing we are to write, we should note that our mean is equal to the assumed mean plus summation of f of x minus a, which is the assumed mean, all over summation of f. And our mean deviation, is equal to summation of f x minus x bar all over summation of f. So this is what we use in computing the mean deviation for the given question. Now, the next thing to do is to form a table so that we'll be able to compute what we have here. So we have to form a table. The first one, we have age. This age is in years. The second one is the number of people. Since we have age in years, we'll also put our class midpoint. So this will be our class midpoint. Of course, this is x. Then we also have number of people. Number of people, which is our f value. Now we have this. The first one we have is 18 to 38. Of course, this is our class interval. Class interval. The next one is 39 to 59. The next one is 60 to 80 and 81 to 101. Here we have our f values. We have 10, we have 13, we have 11, and we have 6. Now, how do we obtain our x value? Our x value is just to add 18 plus 38 divided by 2, because that is our midpoint. That is the x value. So we come here, we said 18 plus 38 divided by 2, which is 28. Now, 39 plus 59 divided by 2, we have 49. The next one is 60 plus 80 divided by 2, which is 70. And we have 81 plus 101 divided by 2. We have 91. Now, we can now produce our f of x. We can produce our f of x. Or, okay, we will not be making use of this. So we say, first, since we have x minus a, we say x minus a. Here a is the assumed mean, and our assumed mean is 50. Our assumed mean is 50. So individual values for x minus 50 will now give us x minus a. So we have first 28 minus 50 is equal to negative 22. 49, 49 minus 50 is equal to negative 1. 70 minus 50 is 20. And 91 minus 50 is 41. So these are the values we have for that. The next we can get f multiplied by x minus a. F multiplied by x minus a. That means so we have summation of x multiplied by x minus a, and we have it to be 233. So we have 233 all over. Summation of f is 40, which is the same thing as our original is 50 plus 233 plus 40. Sorry, 233 divided by 40 is equal to So x bar, which is our mean, will be 50 plus 5.825. 5.825. Now, we have to calculate for x minus x bar. X minus x bar. Because of what we have here, this sign, everything will become positive. So, x minus 55.825. X, which is 28 minus 55.825, which is negative 27.825. But we can't write negative 27.825 because of this sign. We will write it positive 27.825. The next one is 49. 49 minus 55.825. So we have 49 minus 55.825, which is we have negative 6.825. But we can't write the negative sign because of what we have here. Now we have 70 minus 55.825. 70 minus 55.825. It will give us 14.175. We also have 91. 91 minus 55.825. So we have 91 minus 55.825. So we have 35.175. Now, we still have another table to complete. We have another table to complete so that we'll be able to get the mean deviation. We are asked to find the mean deviation. Now, we move over to this side of the board, which is f multiplied by what we have here, x minus x bar. F multiplied by x minus x bar. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So individual values of x multiplied by what we have here. That is how we can compute that thing. So we have 10. The first one is 10. The first one is 10 multiplied by 27.825, which is 278 minus 25. We also have 13. 13 multiplied by 6.825, which is 88.725. Now we also have 11. 11 multiplied by 14.175. So we have 155.925. Then we have 6, which is the last one. 35.175. We have 11.05. Now, the next thing to do, because we have our summation sign here, we've already talked about the meaning of summation, which means addition. The summation of the whole of this, that means we have to sum the whole of this. If we sum the whole of this, we get something like this. Summation of f of x minus x bar which is equal to, so we have to sum the whole of that. We have 276.25 plus 88.725 plus 155.925 plus 211.05, which is 733.95. 733.95. Now that is what we have. The next thing to do is to now compute our mean deviation. We have to compute the mean deviation if we are given an assumed mean of 50. So move over to the other side of the box. You take that side of the box. You need to subscribe to this channel. Now we are also calculating for our mean deviation. For mean deviation is equal to the summation of f of x minus x bar all over summation of f. Now what is summation of f of x minus x bar? We have it to be 733.95. 733.95 because that is what we got from calculating this. So we have 733.95, which is 733.95 divided by summation of f. Our summation of f here is 40. So we write 40, which is equal to 7.95 divided by 40. So we have 18.349. So this becomes our mean deviation. So this is simply how to compute the mean deviation if an assumed mean is given. So it is quite simple. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. If you want to get the mean deviation of any group data given, you follow this procedure, you arrive at the correct answer to that.